Hey guys, it's Robert from Repurpose and Reuse here, and I'm here at the National Whitewater Center in Charlotte, North Carolina in 2021 at the Build Your Own Boat Competition, BYOB, and it is packed out as you can see. It's a fun day. People repurpose everything from mattresses, styrofoam, whatever they can to go down these high-class rapids. There's the rapids right there in a whitewater kayak, and shortly you'll see some of the competitors as they try to make it through these rapids with their boat intact. So it's a fun day, and let's see the competition.
One rapid after another, they head towards Big Drop. Here they go, folks.
These are the remnants of one boat the contestants had to get pulled out of the water.
Most maintenance all the way down towards Big Drop. Coming down the last part of the channel here.
This is the Oscar Mayer Wiener boat, one of my favorites.
They're holding on tight. Looks like they're going to try to take Big Drop backwards. Hold on to your seats, folks. They're still upright. We've even still got palm trees intact. The smokes came back. We're cruising. Here we go.
This volcano boat was probably the coolest design. It had a working smoking volcano in the middle that shot out smoke, but it had trouble tracking well through the water and just kind of spun in place most of the time.
Here we go. They're trying to make it to pinball. And they're making their way through pinball. One guy in the back holding on for dear life. Taking his leg. Propelling the rocket as they go down the rapids. Oh, they're off the boat again as they head down Big Drop. Here, folks, headed towards Big Drop. The last big test. They hit it backwards, but they're still going. Let's hear it, crowd. Making their way around in the corner to Big Drop. They're cruising, they're bouncing around in there. Here we go, down Big Drop. And they're still rolling. They're coming down the next drop here. The girls are absolutely crushing it. Come on, ladies. Give them a hand, crowd. The boat's somehow still standing. They're going down Big Drop. They make it through Big Drop. On their way down to the last couple rapids here, folks.
All right, let's look at some of the boats.
This looks like it was repurposed from PVC pipe, duct tape, drywall. See, they got some PVC pipe. We've got the Titanic over here.
Where are the sirens of the boat now?
There weren't any. Oh, they had like little cups. These little buckets.
And the ones that didn't survive.
Where's the red one?
The Carolina Reaper. Made out of styrofoam,
A bunch of water now. Hard to tell.
cardboard, PVC pipe, and tarps. More PVC pipes, more cardboard. And look at this one, repurposed air mattresses. with PVC railing and inner tubes on the bottom. Cool design.
So yeah, so very limited
PBR boat.
plastics.
Use a circular saw to cut it. This looks like sawzall. This looks like circular saw.
So this is the whatever edge we got it with. This is us with a hand insulating saw.
And then on the gaps, how'd you connect it?
Spray foam.
No, we drilled the holes and then put PEX pipe in and zip tied the holes together. And then there's also a PEX piece of plastic in it.
So you just drilled in like a foot.
Drilled in,
put it
yeah, like 4 or 5 inches.
Construction
Put a big liquid nail in it.
I'm glad we didn't rely on construction adhesive.
That's just to keep the sharp end.
All right, so that about does it. It was a fun day in Charlotte, and it was great to see people repurposing and reusing. Thanks, guys. Take care.